Going on. This is Pigeon Pea. It's the end of the year here. We just had our first frost, so all the flowers are gone, but it was flowering like almost all year long. This is a day neutral variety, which means that it's going to flower early, and I'm actually going to get seed off of it. If you are in a colder climate like I am, I'm in zone 7B, it probably won't flower in time for you to get enough harvest, but I actually got plenty of seeds. I already started harvesting them. This is only off of like 4 or 5 plants. But if I sowed it more thickly in a larger piece of land, I'd be getting pounds and pounds and pounds of seed. Relatively easy to harvest. You just pick the seed pods, crack them open, and there's let's see if I can show you, little brown seeds inside. And those are dried, and they can be cooked up for like basically like the way you'd cook up a dried bean. In Puerto Rico, these are called gandules, and they're a really popular dish. Supposed to be really tasty. I haven't tried them yet, but I'm looking forward to. You can also cook the young seed pods as well, like a green pea, and probably even younger than this if you wanted it to cook it as like a a snow pea or something, where you're eating the whole pod itself. You want it to be nice and tender, but you can eat all the different stages. You can even eat the flowers. They're not like super tasty though. But yeah, they fix nitrogen, and they grow even as north as New York State. I got these from New York actually. Now I'm down here in Tennessee, and again, this is the day neutral variety, so you can actually get something from them. But yeah, they will help out and fertilize the plants around them, and they're a really nice nectar source for bumblebees. Bumblebees couldn't get enough. So I don't think it's gonna. Well, there's not really any way that it could spread um, unless it self seeds. So I don't think it's going to be too dangerous as far as invasiveness or aggressiveness. So I recommend people try out the day neutral pigeon pea, or if you're in the tropics or the subtropics, you can go with the regular varieties most likely.